Whitehill Tools Vari Angle Cutter Heads are the ideal chamfering and bevelling solution for the joinery shop. Designed to machine any angle required, one block can effectively replace countless dedicated cutters, offering a more cost-effective solution. Available in 120 and 170 mm diameters, all options employ reversible tungsten carbide cutting edges for longevity and easy exchange when blunt or damaged. Designed to function both under and over the stock, the 120 mm block with a 40 mm cutting edge can bevel 45 degrees in both directions. The two 170 mm options with 50 or 60 mm cutting edges can be adjusted to 90 degrees in both directions. All blocks are easily, accurately, and repeatably adjusted to 0.1 mm resolution with the supplied digital protractor. Common bore sizes are available as standard, with custom sizes available on special request. For more details, please see the Whitehill webpage or contact Whitehill directly using the contact information below.